friends, today we are going to discuss about PwC Acceleration Center Associate come Senior Associate, which we're hiring for the position Data Delivery Deal Value. It's also called as Delivering Deal Value IT. So they have given about little bit about the PwC, and the current location they're hiring for is Bangalore. So they are looking for the growth strategies. So usually this delivering deal value comes under more of mergers and acquisitions, due diligence, and corporate strategy, which comes under the line of business comes under advisory. Okay, now coming to the growth strategy, mergers and acquisitions, operational strategy, manufacturing chain, supply chain, product development and innovation, service and support. So PwC management consulting team works with the global clients to design and implement growth, operational and customer focused strategies for sustainable competitive advantage. The leadership unparalleled experience can help clients turn formidable challenges into market advantages across the value chain and around the globe. Additionally, so they use their expertise in the industries to serve companies and create a scalable businesses to increase the sustainable profits. So currently the job description of this particular DDB is for associate or a senior associate who will be part of a team where they'll be giving the advisory, consulting and industry experience support to their clients to solve their problems relating to the strategy to execution, mergers and acquisitions, due diligence, IT integrations and specific problems. So below are the few areas where they'll be going to work. So they proactively help team to assess deal spectrum, like what is the value of the mergers and acquisitions. Like they have to do a preparation of the checks that they actually do before selling or before acquiring the companies. So it's more of the IT integration. Okay, and the person has to plan and develop integration and separate projects available and delivery. So usually the day-to-day activities and the readiness and execution of the business processes and systems, etc. So which also includes the risk management. Okay, develop financial models for IT. Okay, what are the models? Like different models like cost benefit analysis or any other things. Okay, one-time cost and standard cost. Recommend enterprise architect solutions and system based on industry leading practices and past experiences. So they should also recommend integration, separation or crave out considerations by considering the key IT pillars. Okay, coach associates on off engagements. They not only work on one client, they might have worked on more than one engagement or a client. So they have to deliver the expected income or the projected outcome without any delay. Okay, they should be active involving in the business development activities, and also they should research opportunities to new or existing clients. Like they have to suggest any ideas like that to continue developing brand. Okay, so come to the skills. So these are the specific skills that this particular position is looking for. So they should have the IT due diligence and IT and business process integration and separation planning and implementation, operational performance improvement, strategic growth, and all the relevant experience. You see, even if a person is having any of these kind of experiences, willing to eligible to join this particular job opportunity. So they should be evaluate the client's IT system. So they must be knowing about the IT environment. Okay, the nodes, the networking, and the cyber security stuff. And they should having the data modeling skills. Okay, how the analytics and the data modeling visualization skills. They should also understand the different types of the mergers, acquisitions, and divestiture transactions, etc. So the people should have experience in planning of various back office and front office functions. They should also need strong management skills and ability to work in a high pressure, have excellent communication and consulting skills. So, and come to the qualifications of this particular job opportunity. So they're looking for a bachelor degree in information technology, engineering, operations, finance graduates, They are saying may also qualify. It is not a must, but also they are looking for people who have completed their master degree from tier 1 colleges. They prefer mostly, and also have more than 3 years of experience in consulting, preferably mostly in the areas of mergers and acquisitions and IT integrations or the due diligence systems, etc. So coming to the travel and requirements, so they might have to travel to different client locations, or might have to travel to other locations for the business as per the business requirements. So as I told you, that the line of service would be advisory, and the industry comes to management consulting. Currently they're hiring for the location Bangalore. Thank you so much, guys. If you find that this video is important and relevant for you, please smash this like button and click on the subscribe button. And if you think this video relevant to any of your friends, please share this video with them. Thank you.